Hey guys, so I'm asking Honda Clarity and also Honda owners if they actually have this issue. When I'm driving from 0 to 20 miles per hour, the door unlocks and basically says this door open, which is kind of annoying. Reason why is because it turns on the dome light and everything else. Now, it doesn't happen after 20 something miles per hour. It doesn't have that door jar or door open signal. But if I slow down and basically showed you again, so I'm gonna go ahead and slow down real fast in this parking lot and show you. It only happens when it goes from 0 to under 20 miles per hour. And there it goes, right at about 10 miles per hour. And I'll show you again later. Let me just drive a little further. And starting again, 7 miles per hour. The door open warning sign comes out and my internal dome lights turn on too. So not sure if it's just mine. It's probably just my Honda, Honda Clarity. But maybe another Honda Accord or Honda Civic might have this issue as well. So I figure I ask. And if you have some information, leave some comments below. If you knew about this, leave some comments below too. I'm gonna probably bring it to a dealership and see what they have to say about this and see if they can correct this. But yeah, right at 0 to 20 miles per hour, it basically has that door open warning. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.